Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to start looking into our ninth OWASP API vulnerability, which is improper inventory management of your APIs. Now, this refers to inadequate management of API assets. Now, when we talk about assets, it includes outdated documentation, lack of assets inventory, and absence of retirement strategies for unpatched systems or old APIs. So this vulnerability has much to do with housekeeping of your APIs and whole system. Now, inadequate inventory management can lead to several different consequences, such as running of unpatched systems, leakage of sensitive data, and exposure of unnecessary API host. Right? There could be configurations or changes you would have made for development purposes, but because of inadequate inventory management and proper documentation, they might left unchecked, undeleted, and in the process attackers can exploit these vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access to sensitive data or take control of the server. Now, they may target old API versions or endpoints that are left unpatched or have weaker security requirements. Exploits may also be available for known vulnerabilities that attackers can take advantage of. Now, some of the examples I've already talked about, like running of unpatched systems, leakage of sensitive data, exposure of unnecessary API host. In our sample application, we will focus on the third one, the exposure of unnecessary API host in our Express API. So in the next lecture, we'll look into our sample code and focus on the dev.localhost virtual host or vhost that is running along with localhost, and see how it impacts our application and how is it a vulnerability and how we can mitigate it. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.